Good morning and happy Monday. Today is Monday, April 27th. I hope you are all safe and well. We are beginning a new unit this week on World War II and the Holocaust. So here is your playlist for the week. That means that you are to complete all 6 of these activities on or before Thursday. I've pasted them all out on Google Classroom, but you can feel free if you want to get ahead. You have multiple tasks to do so we can build up our background knowledge and understand the context of what's going on in the independent books that we are choosing. So we're going to start at number 1, show what you know. This is a Google form that I want you to complete. Tell me what you already know and questions that you have about World War II and the Holocaust. And then we're going to do today, Monday, a reading about an introduction to the Holocaust and World War II. And both of those readings are on Actively Learn for you to read and build up your background knowledge. Lastly today, step 3, I made a book talk video that discusses 6 different independent reading book choices that you have. I want you to select the book that you are going to read. It is up to you whether you want to read it digitally or in print format, but you want to get a copy of that book this week. We are going to be doing some more detailed work with that beginning next Monday. So you have a week to get your book. We're also going to, on Tuesday and Wednesday, be building more of our background knowledge. So you'll see there are other readings and videos to understand what actually happened during World War II. Why did so many people get trapped? Why were so many people killed? What was America's role in the war? Why didn't they get involved until much later? Statistics estimate that between 70 to 80 million people actually died throughout the world due to this World War tragedy. So we are going to be reading and investigating more about what happened to understand all the different elements that impacted the war beginning, what was happening during the war, why there were so many deaths, and how it impacted history and people moving forward. Lastly, number 6, I'll explain more about that as we get later on in the week, but I want you to show what you've learned on this new hexagonal thinking map, and I've given you directions there. So if you have any questions throughout the week, please email me. You can refer to these directions at any time, but our job this week is to build our background knowledge and start to ask and answer questions about what actually happened during this time period. So find your books, select your books, show what you know, and let's read some information so we have a more greater understanding of this time period and we can understand the context of what we're reading. If at any time you have questions, feel free to email me. Have a great day.